Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to learn about computer basics. It's very simple for high school students and for school students to learn from such concepts. So what is basically computer basics? Computer basics, as you can see, it shows computer basics. Basic computer concepts is basically like, what is a computer? An electronic device that stores, retrieves and processes data and can be programmed with instructions. A computer is composed of hardware and software and can exist in a variety of size and configurations. We all know it is an electronic device that stores, retrieves and processes data and can be programmed with instructions. Okay, now let's move hardware and software. We have parts of computer, hardware and software. The term hardware refers to the physical component of a computer such as system unit, mouse, keyboard and monitor. So basically hardware and software. So hardware consists of such as system unit, mouse, keyboard, monitor. And whereas software consists of CD-ROM, DVD, diskette, floppy disk and much more. Basically it's random access memory, that is RAM. Then types of computers: mini and mainframe computers and personal computers. Mini and mainframe computers are very powerful and used by large organizations such as banks to control the entire business operation. Very expensive. It's very expensive. And personal computers are cheap and easy to use, often used in standalone computers or in a network, may be connected to large mainframe computers with big companies. Those computers which we use it at home, is basically called personal computers. Okay. So hardware components. We have learned about the software components up. I'm going for the hardware components: input devices and output devices, divided into two. Input is basically giving in, output is basically result out. So basically input, a keyboard and mouse are standard way to interact with the computer. How to tell it what to do? It tells it what to do and it shows you what it is doing. Output is basically shows it what you're doing, and input is basically how to tell it what to do. Basically a keyboard and a mouse are the standard way to interact with the computer. So basically these are input hardware components. When we talk about the output devices, the monitor, basically the screen, is basically an output device of an hardware component. A printer is also an output device. So we're going to go for input devices: the mouse, the keyboard, tracker balls. The hardware input devices basically like scanners, touchpads, light pens, joysticks. And we have output devices such as video. Video is basically the computer screen used for, basically the screen is called video, the screen of computer. Printers, many types of printers are there. We have plotters, we have speakers, we have speech synthesizers, we have storage devices. It's basically a device that stores our data. If a computer is filled with the data, we can insert any floppy disk. However, in today's generation, we have much better computers with much better hardware. And hard disk is basically already present and the main component of the computer. It is already present. We don't need to buy it extra from any kind of local shop. So basically hard disk is basically about speed, and it's about capacity and the cost. So the speed of the hard disk is very fast, very quick, and the capacity is basically 4 to 80 gigabytes and it is equal to 1024 megabytes. Diskettes, and that is basically floppy disk, extra storage. Speed is very slow, capacity is 1.4 MB and very cheap. Basically CD-ROM is basically much more faster than the floppy disks, much slower than the hard disk. The original CD-ROM specification is given a value of 1x. Capacity is about 650 megabytes. DVD basically is much faster than CD-ROM, but not fast as hard disks, up to 17 gigabytes, and it is basically slightly higher than CD-ROM drives. Main parts of computer is basically memory, random access memory, and ROM. Basically ROM is read-only memory. These are two main parts and very, very important. The main working memory used for the computer when the operating system loads from disk when you first switch to computer, it is copied to RAM, random access memory. So basically how the processor stores and uses image data. We can divide the computer memory into following: bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte. Basically consists of 1024 bytes, megabyte consists of 1024 kilobytes, and gigabyte consists of 1024 megabytes. Thank you for watching my lesson for today. I hope you liked it, and I hope you will subscribe my channel. And for more information, stay tuned.